Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for coming. Today, I have a collaboration with Heather from Crazy Beautiful MUA. We are going in with this Jaclyn Hill Bling Boss. Let me show ya. Here's the palette. Ooh, I mean, like, color story, me. And we're going to do some swatches. It does have a mirror, so I can use that. So we're going to create an eye look. I already did my eyebrows, so let's get into it. This is a eye primer, and it comes out clear. So I have not tried Jaclyn Hill eyeshadows. However, I've seen lots of people use them. And I don't really care for this eye primer, but we're going to use it. I tend to use concealer. So I can't really see a base. So while that dries, let's get into some swatches. Bling Bling, Hush Hush, Gem, Pizzazz, and Mystic. Wow. And we will create a look that's very light. Bling Bling. You guys know I love some purples. See, the Bling Bling is not even showing up. Okay, and then the last row down here, Spark, Glitz Glam, Rockstar, Ballsy, and Berry Treasure. Ooh, very pretty. Yeah, that's light too. Oh, that's like a duochrome. Look at that. It's purple, but I can see the green. So there's the swatches. Might have to use that Berry Treasure. Okay, so I think the base shade I'm gonna go in with Hush Hush. Nice fluffy E22 with Hush Hush. It's like a mauve. And I'm going to outline this all over. And bring it up. Just like that, because I have hooded eyes, so I don't want it to be closed. So let's outline it here. I love this color. We're gonna go back into it and just get it moving. This is less packed than the Morphe one. All these colors would be beautiful together. So, nice base. Wow, there's a lot of shimmers. So, you guys see all those shimmers? But I think I'm gonna go in with Rockstar. It's nice burgundy wine color. And we're just going to outline this. I don't know if it's me. I love the colors, but it's not blending. Maybe it's my brush, but I just got a BH one. But it's not moving how I want it. What do you guys think? I'm trying to do this trick that I see in Zara V. I love her channel. She does murder mystery makeups, and she is awesome at it. I don't know that I could tell a story and do this. So I'm just going to go back with Hush Hush and just blend it here because it's very nice, neutral, and you want to keep the eyes open. So this purple is just beautiful. I think I might put it on the bottom lash. Let's deepen a little bit with Mystic. I'm gonna go with the same brush and we're just gonna deepen it up a little bit here. That is a deeper burgundy. And move it around if we can. It could be the primer too, not gonna lie. Could be the primer. I definitely don't want to look like I got a black eye, so let's get fluffy brush and go back with Rockstar. All right, let's see, Bling Bling, Pizzazz, Ballsy. I'm gonna do this Berry Treasure all over the lid with my finger. You see how it has like that shift to it? So it looks muddy, but it's definitely a shifter. All right, a little bit of fallout here, but it's pretty. More of a deeper, vampy look than I was going for, but we'll brighten it up in a minute. Go back with Rockstar and just smooth it out here. That color doesn't move, but it's okay. With a different brush, with Hush Hush. This is a BH brush, by the way. And get this lightened up a little more. That Berry Treasure is deep. Bling Bling right here. It's very light, like very light. Just so we can brighten this up in this inner corner. I want this to pop way more. There we go. We don't want my eyes to look dark. It's not soft and buttery, but you have to make it work. Fall vibes. Vampy fall vibes. I do love it though. All right, let's smooth this out a little more. How's the transition here? It's pretty. We're about to bolden it up a little bit. I'm gonna go with Glitz Glam for my inner corner. It's definitely a pretty palette. Let's go back with Bling Bling for the brow. Just lightly bring it over. That's really nice. All right, and then I'm gonna use the same pencil brush and we're gonna go in with Gem. I can't wait to see what look Heather comes up with. If you haven't checked out her channel, be sure to do so. I will leave it in the comment section. So I did put the Gem on the bottom. Nice bright purple. We're gonna go in with Wet n Wild Mega Length for the mascara. I'm not doing falsies or fake lashes. So if you guys want to enter in the sneaky giveaway in this video, I will be having 3 palettes. If you haven't seen that video where I got the Morphe haul, there are 3 palettes. There's this one, the Bling Boss, and 2 other ones. So if you type in, let's see, Hush Hush in the comments, Hush Hush, 2 separate words, then you will be entered in and I will draw the winner in 3 weeks. Make sure you do go check out Crazy Beautiful MUA. I do love her channel, and let me know what you guys think of this eye look. I'm gonna throw on some KKW liner. This is KKW, I got that out of the haul too. This is Mauve 3. This is a nice vampy look. What do you guys think? If you want to see more looks with this palette, let me know down in the comments. This gem color, which I love on the lower line. It's just like that pop of color. But let me know in the comments, guys, and stay tuned for more, and stay safe.